We're talking weather now.
Yeah.
We'll get to the thing that you guys actually care about. What you need to know today.
Yeah, well, people care about the holidays, though. Now that Thanksgiving's over, everyone's in that Christmas spirit, I feel like.
You can't judge people for putting up their tree now?
Absolutely not. Today, though, I don't know if today is certainly going to be one of those days because it's not the best outside, and tomorrow will be an even better day for spending your time indoors and decorating and doing all the things. This is our WFA Studios Dallas camera. It's overcast right now. It's not terribly cold, but it's certainly cool, especially when you factor in we've got a little bit of a breeze. It's coming out of the southeast. Though later today, cold front comes in and it's going to be out of the north and it's going to get pretty windy. We're at 53 degrees in Denton, 50 in McKinney, 50 in Mineola, and 53 degrees in Waxahachie. Already 61 though in Granbury. You can see how the heaviest of the rain from yesterday evening, late last night, that continues to move well off to the east, but we still have some light rain around, but everything's very spotty. It's not heavy by any means, and it's basically all right around Terrell right now. It's moving off to the east, and then that's pretty much it. But later today, we still are expecting the coverage of the rain to pick up a little bit more, but even at noon today, it looks pretty overcast with a couple of spotty showers here and there, so it's not going to be a washout by any means. We're certainly not expecting too much to add to the rainfall amounts that we had late last night, but that cold front, as it gets a little bit closer, again, the coverage will pick up a little bit more. In fact, the cold front should move through DFW at around 4 o'clock or so. That is when it's going to form more of a line, and that could pick up a little bit more and briefly bring us some heavy rain. Maybe a lightning strike or two, but again, not expecting severe weather. By 7 o'clock, the main line is well off to the south and east behind the cold front. We start to clear out the skies. It's going to be rain free and it's going to get pretty cold. So tomorrow morning, we're going to wake up and at least see more sunshine than what we've got today, but it's also going to be very cold. In fact, highs tomorrow not making it out of the 40s. The high tomorrow is going to be 44 degrees. That's 18 degrees below normal. On Monday, we have a high of 43 degrees. That's still going to be 18 degrees below normal because the average high drops down to 61. So on Tuesday, temperatures in the upper 40s, we finally recover to near 60 about midweek. But tonight, we're dropping down to 34 degrees in downtown Dallas, 32 in Decatur, 31 though in Bowie, 35 in Greenville, 40 degrees in Corsicana. But keep in mind, during the overnight hours and into tomorrow morning, it's still going to be pretty windy. The wind's going to be out of the north, gusts to 30, maybe 35 miles an hour. So it's going to feel more like 25 degrees in Dallas. It's going to feel like 23 in Denton, 25 in Fort Worth, and 24 tomorrow morning in McKinney. So for today, enjoy the nicer weather while it lasts. Temperatures in the upper 60s, only a 40% coverage of rain, and that's primarily going to be late this afternoon when the cold front moves in. Overnight tonight, skies clear out. It's going to be cold and it's going to be windy. We're dropping to about 34 degrees in downtown Dallas, but tomorrow afternoon, highs in the 40s. We're going to have a northeast wind between 10 to 20 miles an hour, so still breezy, but not terribly windy. A lot less wind on Monday, but now we're talking about a 30% coverage of very light rain, but temperatures should be well above freezing, so we're not worried about any frozen precipitation, at least in North Texas. Now on Tuesday, we're dry. We see more sun, but we only make it into the upper 40s. We finally recover a little closer to normal about midweek. The second half of that 14-day, temperatures do look nicer. Lots of upper 50s, some low 60s, pretty seasonal with only a couple of days in there where we do have that chance of rain. And don't forget, we also have some Santa's Helpers days. It is that time of year. A lot of people out shopping, so don't forget about all the kids in need across the Metroplex. Scan to donate to our Amazon shopping wish list on your left. And on the right side of the screen, you can just scan to donate online. Matt, back to you.
Okay, thank you so much, Cassie.